Hi, I'm the Miraculous Minotaur, and today I want to talk about the most important upgrade that has not been done to most battery banks now. I actually haven't seen it anywhere. So this looks like a whole mesh of wires with what it is. But what I have done is I have disconnected the battery from everything. So actually this is a three-way switch. So I can select if either of these is connected or neither of these is connected. So right now, neither of them are connected. I can change it to connect to this one, which would be the charging element. So if I switch to this one, it would charge the battery. If I would switch to this one, it would discharge the battery. And there is actually one more slight upgrade to this. Okay, so right now we can look at the battery, and we can see that it's at 4.14 volts, 4.13, almost. Okay, so now, as I said, it's disconnected from both. But if I turn this on, the LED here will switch on because it's completing the LED circuit, but not the battery circuit. So we can just check it here. And we can see that actually, yeah, the battery is pretty much the same, if not lower. Now, if I switch it to this, let's see, top circuit here, or power switch to top circuit. So now I'm actually charging the battery. And now, as I said, there is another good thing about this is that I can discharge. So if I want to show you the discharge, I'm gonna have to attach something. So I'll just attach this old phone. But the good thing is that if I attach something, I don't actually have to have the battery attached, and it will still charge something. If I put it into this state, this means it'll charge the phone and the battery bank at the same time. Not as well, because the phone has a lower charge and it will take up most of the power, but mostly you want your phone actually to be charged rather than your battery bank, because you're hoping you won't need your battery bank. But if I put it into the other position, now it's actually, since this is a prototype, it has a slight problem here, but I should be able to get it working. Never tried to do live test. Okay, there we go. We got it working, and now we're actually discharging the battery into the battery bank. Into the phone. So now if I discharge the charger from here, I am actually still charging the phone, as you can see here. And yeah, and I'm actually discharging this pretty quickly. Now the problem with this one is that even if I turn this one off, you don't see it, but the LED on the input one is still on. That is because the LED has a separate circuit. If it were put into a different place, we would not have this issue. So, but if I turn it into any of the other positions, like off or into the charging position, then it doesn't matter. But yeah, that's what I think is the most important upgrade that should be done to a battery bank. So, because I love the idea of that I can charge my phone, my battery bank, and everything at the same time with having numerous cables. So if I had like more outputs and a more powerful input, that would be really, really great. And I might do this in the future. If this video gathers enough likes, if I see enough support, I will probably make a better one, make a complete one with custom circuit. Thanks for watching. Bye.